Introducing the Cyber Highway. Our unique portal combines ease of use with the level of rigour you would expect of any IT support solution built around a UK government compliance process. The Cyber Highway offers a range of integrated features such as the Cyber Highway dashboard, which puts you firmly in control of the process from the very start. Our responsive site radar, which is a key feature of the dashboard, guides you through each phase of the journey. It begins by directing you to define your scope. This easy-to-use tool provides a step-by-step process which helps you to identify quickly and record clearly those parts of the network you wish to certify. As you complete each section, the corresponding tile on the scope builder becomes coloured, so you can determine your progress as you go along. Now that your scope is in place, you're ready to set off on the principal route along the Cyber Highway. Section introduction screens set the scene for each of the 5 main sections of the portal. Our integrated support tools provide explanations, information, tips and guidance to assist you throughout the self-assessment process. Integral support systems enable you to upload documents and comments as you go along, and you can rest assured there's help on hand, whatever you need, from helpline advice and guidance to on-site and remote technical assistance. We have a range of specialist services designed to support your business during the Cyber Essentials certification process and to make it more cyber resilient into the future. Each of the following portal screens presents the original Cyber Essentials question as a clear positive statement. You can select In Place, In Progress, Not Yet Actioned, or Not Applicable. The Not Applicable button can be selected where a business does not meet a particular standard, but where they feel they can provide strong supporting information detailing alternative measures in place to protect their operation from cyber attack. Where you have selected In Place, you will be required to provide details of how this good practice is maintained. You're invited to supply supporting details or upload other relevant information to the document toolbox. This helps you to demonstrate active maintenance of this area of your company's cybersecurity operation. You can return to the dashboard at any point to read your notifications, understand where you are in the process, check your overall progress, or access your files. The MOTE section provides you with both a detailed review of progress made to date, highlights any tasks outstanding, and directs you to specific action required. Once all the required controls are indicated to be in place or not applicable, and where you have provided all the necessary supplementary information, you're invited to apply for Cyber Essentials certification. Our system eases the strain by making this process as simple and straightforward as possible. And finally, your business is awarded an annually renewable Cyber Essentials certificate by our certification body, who is approved by one of the UK government's accreditation bodies. We can provide larger companies looking to better secure their supply chain with a dedicated enterprise user account, which gives them a comprehensive cybersecurity overview of the multiple businesses with whom they trade and who are engaged in the Cyber Highway process. The Cyber Highway offers a scalable, robust improvement route to supply chain cybersecurity. With online access to a specially designed dashboard, which tracks the progress and records the journey history of each of their suppliers, the Cyber Highway is the go-to solution for enterprise companies looking to monitor effectively the compliance of their supply chain towards Cyber Essentials certification and beyond. Now you can look forward to a safer cyber future for your business. Your cyber highway journey, however, doesn't end here. We provide further continuous development routes to ensure your business maintains the necessary cyber security controls to help secure your business future.